Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. Today we're learning how to sign out of Google accounts from all devices. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go to your web browser on your computer, or you can simply use your mobile device as well. The steps are similar, and go to your URL box and type in accounts.google.com. After you're signed into your account, go to Gmail from the Google Apps button, scroll all the way down at the bottom of your inbox, and at the bottom right corner, you'll be able to see last account activity. Click on the details and a new window will pop out where you can view activities on your account. Click on security checkup link and you'll be taken to a next page where you can scroll down and find the devices that has been signed into your account. Click on this drop-down menu, and this is the list of the devices that has been signed into my Google account with. To sign out of Google account from the particular device, click on the three dots at the right corner and click on Sign Out. From the pop-up, click Sign Out and you'll be signed out of your Google account in a particular device. Simply click on the three dots, click on Sign Out, and choose Sign Out from the pop-up. You've successfully signed out of your Google account on a particular device by performing this action. Let me show you one more time. Click on the three dots, click on Sign Out, and from the pop-up, select Sign Out. Repeat the process in order to sign out of the Google account from all the devices. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.